we took the bus from Nice to Monaco, and the ride is beautiful from in between. Very, very nice. You can also go by taxi, train. There's all kind of choices to go. The bus it's a little bit long, but the view it's very nice. Wow. Impressive.
In this video, we'll tour 2 beaches and then proceed to the Monte Carlo Casino.
This is Monaco. It's beautiful. We were there before. One of the public beach in Monaco. You can see all these big boats parked there. Maybe waiting for the Grand Prix next week. It's nice to finally be on a beach after the long winter we had in Canada. Last time we traveled was mid-January to Cuba. It was very nice. Unfortunately, right now we can't go because of what's happening. I mean, the resort they are closed, so we are gonna have to wait to go back to Cuba. In the meantime, we travel to Europe. Yeah, our first time here in Monaco, the second smallest country in the world. Monaco. No, we're not in Florida. This is Labroto Beach. Yeah, in the States, in the country of Monaco. Labroto Beach, Mary. Huh? Another nice beach.
Surrounded by beautiful buildings.
What are we doing here, Mary?
Monte Carlo Casino. What do you do at a casino?
If you're planning to visit the Casino de Monte Carlo, here are the main rules you should know. Minimum age. You must be 18 years old or older to enter the gaming rooms. Photo ID is required. Bring a valid passport. Recommended for international visitors.
Different than the one in Montreal, huh?
Photos and videos are generally not allowed inside the gaming rooms. You can take photos in the lobby or outside the casino. Entry fee. There is usually an admission fee for the gaming rooms around €20.
Formula 1 will be racing here on that road.